सिंहमारी भानुग्रामको यस परिसरमा ब्रिज टु सक्सेस एकाडेमी दार्जिलिङको एउटा यो इन्स्टिट्युसनको हामी इनागुरेसन गर्न लागिरहेका छौँ र विशेष गरी ब्रिज टु सक्सेस एकाडेमी दार्जिलिङको मेन मोटिभ हाम्रो नानीहरूलाई एजुकेटेड बनाउन आजको युगमा नितान्त आवश्यकता छ। तपाईँलाई थाहा छ एजुकेसन इज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेन्ट थिङ्स अनि आज एजुकेसन बिना मानव जीवन नै अधुरो छ अनि यस एकाडेमीले नानीहरूलाई एजुकेसनको क्षेत्रमा मात्र अग्रसर नगराएर उनीहरूको उज्जवल भविष्य निर्माणमा पनि थुप्रो कुरोहरू राखेका छन् अनि यो एकाडेमीले आउने नानीहरूलाई एउटा आफूमा आफै निर्भर हुने कुराहरू पनि सिकाउँछन् अनि यस एकाडेमीले विशेष गरी पढाइ त आफ्नो छँदैछ तर एउटा असल मानिस कसरी बनिन पर्ने हो त्यो विषयमा पनि यहाँले थप सेवा पुर्याउनु भएको छ अनि जति पनि हाम्रो इन्डियाको कम्पिटिटिभ एक्जामिनेसनहरू हुन्छ त्यसमा नेटको एक्जामहरू हुन्छ बीएडको एक्जामहरू हुन्छ लको हुन्छ एलएलबी अनि थुप्रो फेसन डिजाइनिङको कम्पिटिटिभ एक्जामिनेसनहरूको निम्ति पनि यस एकाडेमीले नानीहरूलाई सहयोग पुर्याउने नीति अघिबाटै गरेका छौँ र आजको यस उद्घाटन समारोहमा पाल्नुभएका सबै अतिथिहरूलाई हामी स्वागत जनाउँदै र हाम्रा अन्य अतिथिहरूलाई पनि यसरी हामी खदार्पण गर्छौँ।
आज आउनु भएको सबै आमन्त्रित गेस्टहरूलाई मेरो प्रणाम छ। For 5 minutes, I just want to say what is Bridge to Success Academy and why it was brought to Darjeeling. So what was the motive behind? You see, we all are students who have graduated, completed our studies from Hills, but the only thing that was an obstacle for us was the direction to be shown what we are going to do with our studies, what we are going to do with our academics, what we are going to do with our subject. All these points were kept in hand and then we realized that we are directionless. We don't have any direction to go. We don't have anyone who can show us any direction where we can land, what our academics can achieve. We are not saying we are below anyone. We are on par to every student all over India. We need to compete with everyone, every student present all over India. When there is a competitive examination for all the students, this competitive examination is for all India level, then why the Hill students are lacking behind? We wanted this to bring in focus, we wanted to bring this in front, so that is the very reason why we brought Bridge to Success Academy to Darjeeling. We want to train them, we want to guide them to NDA. Now what is NDA, National Defense Academy? They think, they aspire, they want to go to Navy, they want to go to Army, they want to be an officer, they want to go to Air Force, but how are they going to do it? Why will they do it? This all has to be directed by someone and someone has to do it at some point of time. We have just started an initiative, we want others to follow in so that people know that what is need. The student from Hills, I'll take 2 minutes more, please bear with me. What is need? They want to be doctor, they want to be top-notch engineer, but to crack any ET, they go to Kota, they go to Patna, they go to Siliguri, and the problem is they go there and they become directionless. They don't know what to do. They meet the students who are already prepared, who know what they are going to do, what they are going to do for NEET. So herein, we thought let's bring that plan back to Darjeeling. Let's prepare the students. Let them not leave the hometown. Let them prepare for all this top-notch examination, which will nurture the future. So we had this goal. We brought this, and above all, there is like COVID is going on, and everyone knows that. There is security factor. The student from Hill goes. There is a security factor that my son, my daughter is there. What is happening? What is he doing? What is he eating? The concern with the parents is always there. We want to remove that concern. And other thing, there are parents with you can say a financial problem. I have money, I can send them, but I cannot keep them. I have money, I want him to study, but I cannot keep them. So these parents can bring them to us. We'll guide them, we'll help them to achieve their dreams at a rate which is 40% less to Kota, 40% less to Patna, 40% less to Siliguri. With the same content, same material, same everything. This is our goal, this is our mission, and our vision is let's bring the students from Hill in par to the students from Plains. Thank you very much.
Well, I take this opportunity to inform everyone in the Hills regarding the beginning of or starting of our primary section at Mount View School. We are bringing here a new concept of NEP by the name of Nano Kids. Here, like we have heard about NEP, National Education Policy, which was launched last year in 2019. So we have been getting the right to education since last 10 years, but National Education Policy has given us opportunities to take this education in a different way. So here, through Nano Kids, as you know that National NEP is giving more priority to early childhood care and education, ECCE. So in our Nano Kids, we'll be having a trained teachers under ECCE, and we've been running this ECCE Institute, Early Childhood Care and Education Institute, since 2013, and we've been producing lots of teachers under this. So we have all the trained teachers. So we assure you that your child will be under the best. You will be getting the best. And looking at the ongoing pandemic with the uncertainties, we don't know whether we'll be able to start our school in March. It's very uncertain, right? So we have come up with our own personalized school app where your child will be getting everything, all the school academics, lessons, homeworks, worksheets, everything online. So you need not worry that your child will be losing an academic year or anything as such. Because once we have come to a stop right now, yes, but once we start, the new normal is going to be very fast. So we cannot let our child just hang around at home. So we need to worry about our children. So even if we are not opening in March, we are all ready with the apps for your children.
अब नानीहरूले चाहिँ राम्रो खालको एजुकेसन पाओस् किनभने पहिला जुन 1982 मा हामीले स्कुल खोलेको थियौँ त्यतिबेला दुःख थियो, सबैजनालाई दुःख थियो, सबैजनाले मेरो नानी पढ्छु, मेरो इङ्ग्लिस स्कुल मेरो नानीलाई पढाउँछु भन्ने प्रकारले हामीले पैसा रुपियाँको केही नहेरिकन सिर्फ एउटा सोसल वर्क मात्रै गरेको। तर अहिले जुन चाहिँ हाम्रो पेसेन्टहरूको आएको छ यहाँ हामीसँग सम्बन्ध राख्नुको लागि, यसमा चाहिँ म एकदमै खुसी छु किनभने हाम्रो नानीहरू यहाँ दार्जिलिङ जति पनि पढ्ने नानीहरू छ, नानीहरू बाहिर गएर पढ्नु सक्दैन, बाहिर गएर उनीहरूलाई पैसाको समस्या हुन्छ। यो समस्या चाहिँ नहोस् भनेर यो चाहिँ हामीले चाहिँ ओपन गरेको बढाएको, यो अझै राम्रो सक्सेस भएर जाओस्, राम्रो भएर जाओस्, नानीहरूलाई राम्रो होस्, कहीँ कसैलाई ढोकर्नु नपरोस्, सिलगढीतिर मर्नु नपरोस्। सिलगढीतिर यही एजुकेसनको गर्दाखेरि कति नानीहरू मरेको पनि छ, कतिजना पैसा रुपियाँ छैन, उनीहरूलाई इच्छा छ तर पढ्नै छैन, उनीहरूकोमा पैसा छैन। यही कारण दार्जिलिङको मान्छेहरूलाई चाहिँ अब बुझ्नु पऱ्यो कि सबैजनाले राम्रोसँगले पढ्नु पाओस् भनेर चाहिँ यो हामीले योसँग चाहिँ हामीले कन्ट्याक्ट राखेको हो।
This is done for the students. Let us all join hands together and work for the students. That's it. We, as a school, donated school, will provide all the facilities that we can so that our students grow. Not only these students also grow. This is our main motive and our prime objective. That's all I want to say. Thank you.
Good afternoon. Namaste. A very important message. Today we have done the inauguration of a institute by the name of Bridge to Success Academy. So this institute caters to the coaching of ICSE, ISC, Madhyamik Pariksha, CBSE, and along with that, for the first time in Darjeeling, we have brought coaching for all the reputed competitive exams, all India level. For example, NEET is there, NEET, IIT is there, JEE is there, NDA is there. So everything has been brought under one common roof, and the name of the roof is Bridge to Success Academy, because we are trying our level best to redefine education in the hills, because education in the hills is presently at shackles and our hill students are not able to bear the financial crisis in going to the planes, paying so much amount of money. So all those, keeping those things under constraint and keeping the factor of COVID-19 also into due consideration, we have brought this institute under the aegis of Doon Heritage. So my basic point over here is that admissions will start from tomorrow itself, and the admissions, the last date for admission is 8th of November for the crash course of ICSE, ISC, Madhyamik Pariksha and CBSE.
8th of December.
8th of December.
What is the address of BTSA, sir?
The exact address of BTSA is Mount View School, Bhanugram, Singamari, Darjeeling, 734101. No, it is not a free coaching class. There is a package which the children have to pay. The parents need to come over here. We will counsel the parents, and according to what the parents give the review and the feedback, we will take the enrollment.
नानीहरुको ग्रोथको लागि हामी आको सो एनी कुनै पनि नानी जसलाई लाग्छ कि के फ्युचरमा गर्नु सक्छु के गर्नु पर्छ त्यो हाम्रोमा आउनु सक्छ हामीले उलाई काउन्सिल गर्छ फ्युचर उसको काउन्सिलिङ इन द सेन्स उलाई काउन्सिल एडमिसनको लागि हैन काउन्सिलिङ फर द फ्युचर कोर्सेस आफ्टर पढाइको बाद उले के गर्नु सक्छ यो गरे भने के गर्नु सक्छ त्यो काउन्सिलिङ पनि हामी गर्छ हामीले पुरा डाइरेक्ट उनीलाई बाटो देखाउँछ पढाउँछ साथसाथ बाटो पनि देखाउँछ विल मेक man and a woman from a child.
So faculty,
we are bringing top-notch faculty. We are in talk with biggest coaching centers of India, and their HODs are in touch with me. So we'll bring the faculties from outside so that they get the best faculties they need, top-level faculties. Message to Hill people is that do not think that you are left behind. Think that you are in par with the students of the plains. Think you can crack all the competitive exams, because when it mentions competitive exams, it says all India competitive exam. It does not say all plains competitive examination. And we are Indians, we need to compete with everyone, and we will compete and we will show our results in a better way.